Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. Same day, different video. You guys just got done seeing my new work skin. And now I'm gonna show you guys something else. And that is gonna be this right here. A Milwaukee knife. Now I know what you guys are thinking. What's so special about this knife? And this is gonna be the Havish Productions official work knife, or utility knife should I say. Now this right here is something that I am very happy to have in the shop. It is gonna go with the theme that we got going on here, which is Milwaukee. Now I'm a big fan of these Milwaukee products because I'm from Milwaukee, so out here representing Milwaukee still. But the main reason why I got this knife right here is this right here is the utility knife that I'm using. Nothing special. I bought it online. I actually found this, let Lenny borrow it, and somehow it got lost. I like this so much that I went and found it on Amazon and got it once again. Turns out that you have 3 different options. You can actually get this in black, and you can actually get this with or without the clip. I got it with the clip. I think it's a bougie move. I have it hanging outside my belt at work. But lately, I've been getting a lot of boxes. As you guys can see, we got a tool cart full of boxes. We got a box there, and again, more boxes down here. So I've been using my work knife at the shop, and I came across the issue that I leave this at the shop and then I need it at work, and then when I'm at work and I accidentally leave it in the shop, I don't have it. So I think it's just best if I have a work knife and then a Havish Productions knife. Again, Milwaukee is kind of the thing we got going on here, so I was really excited to get a Milwaukee one. Let's open this bad boy up. Now this right here is how the front of this box looks. There's so many different Milwaukee knives out there. The reason why I went with this one is this one isn't that bulky. There's some that have a screwdriver built into it, some that come with a bottle opener, some that come with both. I just wanted something to get the job done, but I also wanted something long enough to be able to hold it nice and tight in my hand. So you guys can see this right here. It's very small, so it's literally less than half the size of this. So with this right here, I'll be able to have a full-on hand grip to it whenever I need to use it. Now this right here is the back. It shows you how to change the blade, and then it also shows you that you can hold the measuring tape. So it has a blade holder. So let's open this bad boy up. Alright, opening this with my work blade, aka my Herbert, something like that. I don't know what it's called. However, I will link it down below for you boys. I'm so dumb, bro. I'm over here cutting the sides, doing the most, and there's a little spot for it just to pop it open, bro. Like literally, what am I doing? Ooh, this thing is nice. It's all metal, I can tell right away. Thing is nice. It also has a belt clip right here for it. So, looking forward to keeping that in my belt. This is the first close. Nice. That's what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to just fall. Alright, there we go. That's what I wanted. Alright, now it locks. So you can't open it. You gotta press this button, and then you can open it. I think that's pretty cool because the one I have right now, you don't press any button. You can just open it. So it's kind of a safety hazard. But unlike this one, you need to press the button to close it and open it. Ooh, and listen to that click. Nice. Other than that, like I said, I'm gonna have this bad boy linked down below for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, there's so many different options, so many different styles. Now this is the one I went for because it was the one best need for my needs. So looking forward to me using it in the shop and having you guys see it in the shop, because again, this is what we're gonna use to open up all of these boxes, which in one of them is a turbo, but that box is already open, so we don't gotta worry about opening it up with this knife. But for all the other boxes, we got this bad boy now. So this is Javi from Havish Productions. Peace out, my friends.